Hi lovely people, how are you? Make sure you leave down in the comments down below how your day is going. Mine's doing fantastic because I was literally getting ready when my Boxycharm came. So this is the July 2019 Boxycharm. I can't believe it is only July 2nd how early this came. Now, I do get this in PR, but I also have my own account that I get because I don't get this in BoxyLux. So when it's BoxyLux time, I only get the smaller, the regular Boxycharm. And so, like I said, I have my own account that way I can get the BoxyLux. And that usually doesn't come to about the 20th. So this is actually the earliest that I've ever got it. So I was so excited. So without further ado, let's just see what is up in here. Now, I have an Instagram. If you don't follow me, it's at Rankin. I will leave it down below. But I don't really go on Instagram too much, and I don't really look at spoilers, and I haven't watched any unboxings. So I only know one thing that's going to be in here. So I am definitely excited. All right, so let's open her up. And the box is like smaller this month. All right, so when you open her up, it says, "Hello, Charmer." Hello, Boxycharm. All right, that was corny, I know. All right, so that's what it looks like when you open it up. I don't know if I told you, it's $21 a month. And then this tells you everything that you have in the box, and it gives you also prices and tells you a little bit about each item, which I do like. So I have Variation 2. I don't know if you can see that right there. That's how you can tell what variation you got. All right, so what is this? Would you be? This is the Elemis skin, $10 at the Ulta Skin Bar. All right, so it's like a little coupon for there. So let's pull out what it is. So we have the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask right there. And I love this brand so much. I really do like it. It's quite expensive, but I do like it. So this is $35. It says, "Get a shot of green goodness with the treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin." All right, I'm going to try that tonight, definitely. So that's definitely exciting. All right, so then we have something from Luxy right here. All right, what is this? Oh, so this is a Gaia 3-piece brush set. This retail value is for $30. It says, "Create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxy brush set. Apply foundation with the Luxy 510 foundation brush. Blend your eyeshadow with the Luxy 250 large eyeshadow blending brush. And precisely apply color to the crease with your Luxy 246 precision crease brush." All right, so let's see what they look like. All right, so they look like the regular Luxy brushes, you know, the pink handles. Actually, no, this is different. They look more like wooden. Let me show you if you guys can see. Do you see how it kind of looks like wood? So that's pretty cool. So this is the Luxy 510. So this is the foundation brush right here. I typically don't use these. I use sponges, but I'm definitely going to try it out. In a few days, I will have, well, actually this weekend, I will have a get ready with me while I'm answering some Q&A, some questions that you guys asked. So I'll definitely use this stuff in there. So make sure that you turn your post notification. Why can't I talk today? Turn on your post notification bell so that you can be notified when I do that video. All right, so that is pretty cool. I typically like to wash these first before I use them. All right, so here, I don't know if you guys can see, there are like shedding a little bit here, which is fine. Once you wash them, a lot of times, you know, it doesn't shed anymore. So this is the blending brush right here, and this actually feels really good. So I'm definitely excited to use that. And then this is the precision brush right here. And what I typically like to use these brushes for is to detail right underneath here, or if I want to put highlighter right below my eyebrow right there. That's what I like to use that for. So right here is $30, so $10 a piece. All right, Luxy has really good brushes. I really do like them. All right, the next thing we got, now this is what I knew we were going to get. This is the Butter London eyeshadow palette. The only thing is, I wish it came with boxes. So this doesn't come with the box. This is magnetic. It comes with a mirror, and these are the shades right here. I will swatch them for you. Let's see what it says. So this is the Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. It retails for $32. Right. The mirror is a really good mirror. I do like the mirror. All right, so we have Enchantress, Queen, Star, Diva, Tempress, and Femme Fatale. So I will definitely swatch them. All right, so there's the first 4. See how pigmented it is. Well, these are nice. Right there. That is really pretty. And the last 2, so the last 2 are matte. So we have the brown and we have the blue. And they really feel really good. So let's see. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. That is so pretty. So this weekend, I will use this eyeshadow palette with the Get Ready With Me. All right, so we have 2 more items. This is gonna be short and sweet. So we have, oh my God, I love the Alamar products. So this is new. These are the lip glosses. And I've been wanting to try this. So let's see. This would be $10. That's not too bad. And this is the Mother of Pearl Gloss. Let's see if it has a shade. Oh my God, that is so small. I gotta get my magnifying glass. Let's see if I can read to see what shade that is. Holy crap. I think it says Luna, but I'm not sure. Let's see if we can see. Look how, I don't know if that's going to focus. I don't know, but let's try this on over my lipstick. So this is just like a clear color. It has some sparkle to it. Ooh. Okay, let's see. Not a lot comes off. Like I have to like really deep get in there to see. I like that. I like that a lot. It's not sticky. It's not tacky. All right, I'm going to wipe that off. I don't want to put that back in there and mess it up. So when I'm done, do I have any wipes? Why don't I? Oh, right here. Let me get a wipe and wipe that off. Okay. All right. I do like that. I will definitely. I love gloss. I typically don't like to wear matte what is wrong with me? Matte lipsticks. I normally use gloss almost every day. I put it right over a matte lipstick almost every day because I just don't like that dry feeling. So I really, for $10, this will actually make me go purchase some more things. I do have the one eyeshadow palette that we already got in the Boxycharm. And there's another one that I want to get. I love their brushes. When I seen her, she came out with this and also some regular lipsticks. I definitely want to try it. I mean, Gabby did a really good job. All right, and last but not least is from Appeal. So this is a gel eyeliner in Deep Top. Right there. And this is $21. Holy crap. All right, let's see if I can get this open. All right, so there we go. So let's see. Oh yeah, that's definitely, I mean, it's just like a gel. It's gorgeous. Actually, it'll go really pretty with this eye look to have this on your waterline. Oh, I'm definitely excited to use that. So let's recap everything that we got in the Boxycharm. So we have this gel liner, which is really creamy. I don't know if I would pay $21 for this for any eyeliner, but I'm glad that it is in the box. But I do know the brand Appeal is quite expensive. So we have this. We got 3 eyeshadow brushes. I'm telling you, I don't know what's wrong with me today. We have the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask right there. We have the Alamar lip gloss. Like I said, I'm going to purchase more of them. And then we have the Butter London eyeshadows. I've never tried really a lot of things from Butter London. I think just maybe the nail polish. I don't think I've tried anything else from them that I can remember. So I'm definitely excited. It's really, really pretty. There we go again. So that's everything. I will leave right here how much everything came to, and it's only $21. This is really one of my favorite beauty subscription boxes. I mean, they hit it out of the park almost every month. There's very few things that I say, you know, it was for a while they were always given eyelashes, and I don't typically wear them, but lately, I've really been liking everything in the Boxycharm. So if you stay to the end, I want to tell you what I am wearing on my eyes today is this Too Faced Gingerbread palette. This is an oldie but goodie, and I fell back in love with this palette again. I really like it. This is what it looks like right there. So I have this green on my lid, on like the outer lid, and then this color right here on the inner lid. I have, let's see, this color here and this color in my transition, and then I deepen it up with the brown, and that's it. That's all I use, and it still smells good. I love this. Let me know down below, did you ever get this? I know it was limited edition. Did you like it? I really, really liked it. All right, that's everything, guys. Don't forget to let me know how your day is going. And that's everything. What do you think of Boxycharm this month? I really, really liked it. All right, that's everything, guys. Don't forget to subscribe because I have a few giveaways up my sleeve that can be any day now. Make sure you turn that bell on so that way you'll be notified my future videos and also my giveaways and also my Q&A and my eyeshadow tutorial. And share my videos because once we get to 35,000, I'm going to have 5 winners in our giveaway. And that's everything, guys. As always, I leave videos right here. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.